Okay, so recording start now. So IUPAC naming, start with alcohol. Let us just have a brief revision for alkanol, that is alcohol के लिए. Alkanol is IUPAC naming. This is IUPAC naming. Okay, so if you are taking one carbon, naming become methane and then all. If you are taking two carbon, just brief revision, fast way, will take 2 minutes. So this is called as ethane all. If you are taking three carbon but OH position is at second carbon, so this will be propane all. If you are writing this one, so this one is butane all. Okay, butanol. Four carbon is butanol. Okay, so 5 carbon, 6 carbon, and introduced it. Yesterday I introduced cyclic compound. There will be two not propi. This is propanol. Okay, sorry. ऊपर वाला भी जल्दी में रॉन्ग लिखा है, नीचे वाला भी रॉन्ग लिखा है. So this is 2 propanol or propane 2 all, and this is 2 butanol. Okay, and this is nothing but cyclohexanol. Chalo, now we are starting new one. Okay, how new one? So functional group is given more preference. Please try it fast. Hello. Yes, there may be double bond. Next example we will write with double bond also. So IUPAC must be starting from this one. Why? Functional group is given more preference. Okay. So this is 2 cyclo. This is not a pentane. Now this is behaving as a side chain. That's why cyclopentyl. Okay. Cyclopentyl ethanol or 1-ethanol. Both are correct. Both are correct. Both are correct. Both are correct. तो सभी लोग मुझे इसका नेमिंग करके बताओ प्लीज. फास्ट. ब्यूटीन टू ऑल. इन का पोजीशन मस्ट बी रिटेन. 2 ब्यूटेनॉल इज रॉन्ग. because double bond is present. Somebody, Archit, position of in must be written. Srikant is 100% correct. Srikant, this is but, not butene 3 in. This is but 3 in. Yes, Ritayan is 100% correct. Siddhi, position of in must be written. Archit, very good. Now everyone start writing correct one. Okay. So numbering, Anushka J, are you present? Yes. So numbering must be starting from 1, 2, 3. Till now, OH is given highest priority. So OH is given priority. OH is given priority. That's why this is but. Secondary suffix and primary suffix. Lecture number 1. Primary suffix is n, in, ein. Secondary suffix all other functional groups. Now, but 3, in, 2, all. Now, please remember, I've given a rule. If A, E, I, O, U, A, E, I, O, U and Y is present, then E will be removed. Got it? Got it or not? Aishwarya 100% correct. But 3 in, 2 all. Okay. Reva 100% correct. Very good. If A, E, I, O, U and Y is present, then E and E say last word E will be removed. Okay. Okay. Is there any problem till now? Why you are confused, Anushka? No, Anushka Kulkarni is confused. 2-cyclopentyl OH is given highest priority in above formula, above compound. If OH is given highest priority, then it must be getting 1, then 2. Now this one is not getting number, so this is behaving as a side chain. When it was principal like this one, it is called as cyclopentane. If it is behaving as a side chain, will be called as cyclopentyl. Okay. Cyclopentane जब ये अकेला था, when it is behaving as side chain, so even the longest chain is the possible, it does not have priority. So longest chain, you will not include cyclic compound in longest chain. See, if anyone is having doubt like this one, if anyone is having in the mind like this one, what is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the wrong one. Cycle and straight chain is not considered simultaneously. Okay. Are you getting my point? So this is not the longest. Longest is this one, 1 and 2. Not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Don't mix up cycle and straight chain. Don't mix up straight chain and cycle. Anushka, now it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, very good. Now, again, next one with alcohol. With alcohol, let us move to next one is called as ethers. Next functional group. Vedanta is saying if OH is joined with the cycle, then all other straight chains will be as a side chain. वो depend कर रहा था देखो in previous compound this is behaving as a side chain. Okay, now because OH was present with the straight chain. Now चलो भाई इसी में ही मैं और भी एग्जांपल ले ही लेता हूं like this one. See, now OH is attached with the cycle. OH is attached with the cycle. Start with 1, 2. Now you cannot go like this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 100% wrong. Straight chain and cycle is not mixed up with each other. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now this C2H5 is not getting any number. So this will behave as a side chain. So this become 2-ethyl cyclopentanol or 1-cyclopentanol. Both are correct. Cyclopentanol. Josie, is it clear now? Is it clear now? So you have to decide कि OH is present with OH which present with cycle or OH is present with straight chain. If OH is present with, yes, Ramani, I am explaining it again. If OH is present with side chain, then cyclic will behave as a side chain. If OH is present with a straight chain, if OH is present with a straight chain, then this particular cyclic compound is behaving as a side chain. While in next one, OH is present with the cycle. OH is attached with the cycle. So cycle is now main chain and this one is behaving as a side chain. Okay. Again I'm taking example. Don't worry. If this is the problem, tell me. Numbering must be from. You have to see where OH is present. You have to see where OH is present. OH is present with straight chain or cycle. So left, very good. So numbering must be 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now cycle is not getting numbers, so cycle is behaving as a side chain. सिद्धि नाम लिख जल्दी से फास्ट बेटा जो गलत बताएगा मैं उसके घर चाय पीने आऊंगा फिर सोच लेना और मैं कभी भी बड़ाई तो करूंगा नहीं तुम्हारे मम्मी पापा से फिर बैठ करके रोओगे तुम लोग कंप्लेन ही कंप्लेन कंप्लेन ही कंप्लेन सोच लो चाय पीने के लिए आ गया तो तुम्हारे घर 3-cyclohexane not hexane cyclohexyl Vedang cyclohexyl butane 2-all cyclohexyl 3-cyclohexyl butane 2-all 100% correct. Anusri is correct. Vedang थोड़ा सा slight change आर्या, श्रीकांत, यश, श्रावणी, बहुत, अनन्या, सिद्धि, सब लोग सही लिख रहे हैं अब। ओके। अनुष्का, जे, 3 साइक्लोहेक्साइल, 2 ब्यूटेनॉल और ब्यूटेन टू ऑल। Okay, 2 butanol is 100% correct. Butane 2 all is also correct. Okay, चलो ऐसी बात है तो और भी एग्जाम्पल लो। ऐसा कैसे हो गया कि टेल मी। टेल मी फास्ट। जल्दी से बोलो फास्ट। नंबरिंग ऊपर वाले में प्रेफरेंस किसको देना है, साइकिल को या स्ट्रेट चेन को? साइकिल और स्ट्रेट चेन, साइकिल और स्ट्रेट चेन। साइकिल, since OH is attached with the cycle. Okay. Write down fast. I'm giving 1 minute time. Gargi, Disha, Gautami, Ishan, Isita, Reva, fast. Snehal, Trisha. So cyclohexanol, 3 propyl. Abhisri, Anusri, no. Anusri, 3 propyl. This is nothing but side chain. Must be written first. After doing a lot of example, you are writing this one. Disha, how you are writing 3 propyl later? 3 propyl must be before, na? This is side chain. So 6 methyl, 2 propyl. Nidita, now numbering must be. Numbering must be. Someone is writing 2 propyl, 6 methyl. The numbering is given such that it is acquiring minimum position. Numbering is given such that it is acquiring minimum position. All are 100% wrong. I don't understand the shapes. Shapes means this is 4 carbon cyclobutyl. Shapes are cyclic. So cyclo. 3 carbon cyclopropyl. 4 carbon cyclobutyl. Yes, Vedang has written 1 butyl. Butyl, not butyl. 3 carbon only. It must be propyl. Where is cyclovedang? Reva. चलो देखते हैं, चलो देखो सभी लोग देखो प्लीज, एवरीवन प्लीज, स्पेशली इन साइक्लिक कंपाउंड. Ananya, no, it's wrong one, slightly wrong one in numbering. In cyclo compounds, you have to give number such that all groups are coming at a minimum position. लिख लो, लिखो. लिखो इन cyclic compound numbering is done such that in cyclic compounds numbering is done such that it is acquiring minimum position. Okay, so this is 1 2 and 3. अगर तुम लोगों ने गलती से ऐसा किया है जो सब लोगों ने किया है, सब लोगों ने क्या किया है, नंबरिंग लाइक दिस वन 1 2 3, आई डोंट नो 1 2 3 ऐसा भी नहीं किया सब लोगों ने, यस। अच्छा, सब लोगों का 1 6 आ रहा था, इसका मतलब है दे हैव गिवन 1 2, तुम लोगों ने ऐसा दिया है, किसी ने ऊपर से नीचे, किसी ने नीचे से ऊपर, ऐसा तो किया था। दिस इज रॉन्ग वन। यू हैव टू गिव द नंबर सच दैट all groups are all side chains and groups are coming at minimum position. Okay, so if you are giving 1 to OH, then all groups are involving 6 carbon. No, they must be present in minimum number of numbering. So it must be like, अब क्या होगा, आइदर 1 ऊपर होगा या तो फिर नीचे होगा. व्हाट इज दिस वन? दिस वन प्रोपाइल P, दिस वन इज मिथाइल M. Word, which one is coming first? Which one is coming first? P or M? P or M? M. So numbering must be starting from M. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. Now tell me. Now tell me. रेवा, दर्शन, श्रावणी, अनुश्री, सिद्धि. आज भाई कम से कम 4 students are absent. आर्या बरसकर, आर्या बरसकर, यस. पोल, क्या प्रॉब्लम है? सब लोग को समझ में आया क्या? तो नाउ इट मस्ट बी what will be the naming? 1 methyl, no, vedang cyclobutyl. OH is attached with cycle, OH is attached with cycle. ओ, अच्छा, अच्छा, 1 के लिए श्रीकांत कजाले, वेरी गुड. नीचे वाला इज करेक्ट. 1 मिथाइल 3 प्रोपाइल 2 cyclohexanol, abida is correct by the way. So this is 1 methyl. If you are not writing 1 is correct also. 1 methyl 3 propyl, then cyclohex or hexane to all. Anushka J, Anushka J, Anushka J. Are you getting? Yes, very good. Snehal 1 methyl 3 propyl cyclohexanol, very good. भाई सभी लोगों से रिक्वेस्ट है कि अपने फ्रेंड्स, अपने क्लासमेट से बोलो कि प्लीज ज्वाइन सरोज ट्यूटोरियल फॉर द केमिस्ट्री. सरोज ट्यूटोरियल फॉर द केमिस्ट्री. सो दिस इज, देखो, OH is given priority which is attached with straight chain carbon. If this one is straight chain, so you cannot write 1 2 3 4 5 6 with the cycle. So all others are behaving as straight chain, sorry, side chain. So this is one cyclobutyl of 4, one cyclopentyl, one cyclopropyl, and methanol. Okay, methanol. Ritayan, it will be pleasure if you are writing 1, because all are present in one carbon number 1. Anusri is 100% correct. Anusri is 100% correct. So let us move to next page. Okay. Tell me guys. Tell me guys. Is it true? Yes. Shravani, one cyclobutyl, one cyclopropyl, and one cyclopentyl कहाँ गया? खा गए पेंटाइल, भूख लगा है, 12 बज गए, या 12 बजे के बाद हमको समझ में कम आता है. साइक्लोब्यूटाइल, साइक्लोपेंटाइल, साइक्लोप्रोपाइल, मिथेनॉल, रिवाइज करेक्ट. ओके. सो let us proceed forward. Group ethers. Okay, ethers. For ethers, for ethers. Now what is the ether? Ether, ethers के लिए चलो देखो सभी लोग प्लीज. ROH था तो अल्कोहल, H को रिमूव करके मैंने R लगा दिया, मतलब दोनों साइड कार्बन कार्बन. R इज अल्काइल ना. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अब देखो व्हाट विल बी द नेमिंग. ऐसा, अल्काइल एल्केन में से एक कार्बन एक हाइड्रोजन कम कर देता था. नाउ व्हाट इज द नेमिंग प्लीज. सब लोग देखो, nobody will write, nobody will write anything, nobody will write anything. So naming is alkoxy. Okay, this is called as alkoxy. And this is called as alkane. तो IUPAC naming is alkoxy alkane. Alk is carbon. Alk is carbon का मतलब क्या हो गया? This is methoxy. Alk one carbon is methane. And what is the common name? Common name is dimethyl ether. Dimethyl ether. Dimethyl ether. Okay. Dimethyl ether. तो सभी लोग इसका नाम लिखेंगे. प्लीज write down fast. Write down fast. इथॉक्सी मीथेन और मिथॉक्सी इथेन दोनों हो सकता था. What must be the naming? Ethoxy methane or methoxy ethane? बोलो. Someone is writing ethoxy methane, someone is writing methoxy ethane. Shravani is writing methoxy ethane, and everyone is writing ethoxy methane. Ishan is writing methoxy ethane. बोलो क्या करना चाहिए. रेवा. रेवा बोल रहे इथॉक्सी मीथेन. सिद्धि बोल रहे मिथॉक्सी मीथेन. ओके. सो अब देखते हैं किसको किसको चॉकलेट मिलता है, कौन किसको चॉकलेट देगा, कौन किससे चॉकलेट लेगा. ठीक है ना. राइट डाउन IUPAC रूल फॉर दिस वन. लिखो. प्लीज राइट डाउन द रूल. लिखो. लिखो. स्मॉलर कार्बन विल कंटेन. स्मॉलर कार्बन विल कंटेन. स्मॉलर कार्बन विल कंटेन. Smaller carbon will contain oxy. 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 ठीक. ऐसे ही होगा. मैं कट कर दे रहा हूँ फिर से. और तुझे जब भी हो इसी पर ऐसे क्लिक करो. ऐसे क्लिक कर मेरे सामने. हाँ. वो अपने आप जुड़ जाएगा. Now naming must be रेवा. श्रावणी बाय द वे पहले ही सही थे. सही. मिथॉक्सी इथेन. वेरी गुड. Smaller will contain oxy group. Anushka J. Trisha very good. Pranav very good. स्नेहल सिद्धि सभी लोगों का करेक्ट है. अब नाउ अनुष्का जे. यस. आर यू गेटिंग? अरे 1 बजे सोना है यार. 1 भी बजने दो. बोलो व्हाट इज द कंफ्यूजन. Anushka J. Vedang correct. Anushka J, tell me what is the confusion. One carbon, that's why meth. And right side is 2 carbon. 1 carbon and 2 carbon. The carbon which is lesser one will contain oxy. Sir, it can be 2 ethoxy. Which one? No. 2 is representing always number. Okay. 2-ethoxy means it is present on second carbon. Anushka J, smaller carbon will contain oxy. So this is ethoxy. Both are identical. Ethoxy, ethane. What is the common name of this one? What is the common name of previous one compound? Ethyl, methyl, ether. Ethyl, methyl, ether for this one, which in one, which is in Tedameda circle. Okay. So neither left nor right. You have to see number of carbon present after oxygen or before oxygen. If it is smaller, will contain oxy. Okay. चलो अब मैं देखता हूँ इसको कौन करेगा. श्रीकांत रॉन्ग नहीं होना चाहिए. मिथॉक्सीप्रोपेन वेरी गुड. इसिता करेक्ट. दर्शन करेक्ट. और लिखो सब लोग फास्ट. साक्षी सब लोगों का करेक्ट है. बहुत लोगों के नाम आगे मैं पढ़ नहीं पा रहा हूँ. निरिता वेरी गुड. ऐश्वर्या, रेवा, अनुश्री, रीता सब लोग का करेक्ट है. सो दिस इज. अब सब लोग नीचे वाले को करो. सो दिस इज मिथॉक्सी प्रोपेन. ईशान जोशी is writing 2-methoxypropane. बोल वेदांग. वेदांग बोल. Last one, what must be the naming? Yes, O is present at second place, definitely. So this must be Bol, Siddhi. 2-methoxypropane, Chaugle, 100% correct. Shravani, correct. Sai, Anusri, Vedang, Sakshi. Yes, 2-methoxy. ऐश्वर्या जे लिखो. अनुष्का जे. अनुष्का जोशी राइट डाउन फास्ट. दिशा, त्रिशा, सिद्धि सब लोगों का करेक्ट है. रिटायन करेक्ट. सो दिस इज जस्ट लाइक अल्कोहल, है ना. भाई एच को रिमूव करके तुमने क्या लगाया है? CH3. Now who will tell me this one? Who will tell me this one? Gautami, Reva, बहुत सही. 100% correct. Next one, Kajale, Srikant. दिस इज मिथॉक्सी साइक्लोपेंटेन. अरे वाह, सब लोगों के करेक्ट आ रहे हैं. वेरी गुड. मिथॉक्सी साइक्लोपेंटेन, वेरी गुड. वेरी गुड. सब लोगों ने करेक्ट लिखा है भाई. सब लोगों ने करेक्ट लिखा है. वेरी गुड. So this is methoxy cyclopentane. Very good. Extremely happy I am. Sir, it should be pentyl. No. Abhinav, why it should be pentyl? This is alkoxy and this is alkane. Smaller is containing oxy, na? Smaller is containing oxy. बोलो जल्दी से. Anushka J, very good, very good. Now next one, write down next one. देखो वही तो लिखा है एग्जाम्पल बेटा ईशान, जो तुम्हारे दिमाग में चल रहा है वही मेरे भी चल रहा है. Ishita is writing cyclopropoxy cyclopentane. Darshan is writing cyclopropoxy cyclopentane. Vedang is also writing the same. Ritayan, very good. तो भाई सब लोग का सही है. दिशा, वर्ड्स के बीच में देयर इज नो डैश लाइन. ओके, अदरवाइज करेक्ट. सो दिस इज चौगुले, वेरी गुड. दिस इज साइक्लोप्रोपॉक्सी. अब धीरे धीरे समझ में आने लग गया लोगों को. साइक्लोप्रोपॉक्सी साइक्लो. अनुष्का जे, is there any problem with shapes? सब लोगों का करेक्ट जा रहा है भाई. Ananya is saying, can you explain it again? Smaller, this is cyclopropane. That's why, and it is smaller one. This is containing 3 carbon. Upar wala is containing 5 carbon. That's why smaller carbon will contain oxy. Cyclopropane se become cyclopropoxy. And alkane is nothing but cyclopentane. Okay, Anushka. Vedang, son, there can be more than one ether functional group. Definitely, there may be more than one. Definitely, there may be more than one. See like this one. तुम लोग जितना पूछोगे मैं उतना ही बताता जाऊंगा. नो प्रॉब्लम. ये ले. Tell me the name. This is C2H5. बोलो. C2H5. भाई वैसे मैं डाइऑल लिखता था. यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा? वन इज मिथॉक्सी, वन इज इथॉक्सी. नाउ नंबरिंग मस्ट बी स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम ethoxy or methoxy. Darshan, very good. 1 ethoxy, 3 methoxy cyclopentane. Extremely correct. Extreme case correct. Ishan, Darshan, correct. No, E must be coming first, na? Trisha, not 2. E must be given as 1. Smaller carbon is given preference for oxy. But there are two oxy. One is ethoxy, one is methoxy. One ethoxy, 3 methoxy, cyclopentane. अनुश्री ऑक्सी के बीच में there will be no dash line. अनुष्का जे I don't understand. Okay, no problem. ईशान जोशी कोई प्रॉब्लम है. See, this is methoxy. This is ethoxy. Both, two oxy groups are present. If two oxy groups are present, then numbering must be given alphabetically. E is coming first as compared to M. That's why it must be 1 ethoxy, both are oxy group, but preference must be given to E. Methoxy, cyclopentane. अब बोलो. Is there any doubt till now? Srikant, Anushka J. Cyclopentane. No problem, no problem. Very good, very good, very good. ठीक. भाई तुम लोग इतना लिख दोगे तो एक बुक बन जाएगा. एक बुक IUPAC का तुम्हारा एक अलग से बुक आ जाएगा, पब्लिश हो जाएगा. यस श्रीकांत, मैं आता हूं. श्रीकांत इज आस्किंग द प्रॉब्लम एंड दैट इज suppose this one is given. Okay, oxy and alcohol both are present. Oxy and alcohol both are present. So first decide the chain which is the maximum, which is the smaller, which is the, sorry, OH3 लिखा है मैंने, which is slightly wrong one. It must be OCH3, sorry. So this is smaller group and this is 3 carbon group. Methoxy, propane, 2 all. Darshan, very good. No problem. Methoxy, 1 methoxy if you are writing, no doubt. 1 is correct also. Propane, 2 all. Very good. Ritayan correct. Abhida correct. Vedang correct. Anushka J correct. C, Anushka. This is containing only 1 carbon. That's why it is methoxy. And this is containing 3 carbon. ऐसा. Previously, it is containing 1 carbon. And this is containing 3 carbon. Just like that, Now one group is introduced here. Huh? Now what is that? Is OH. So this says 2 methyl, sorry, 1. If you're not writing 1 is 100% correct. No problem. 1 methoxy, 2 butanol or butane 2 all, both are correct. Butane 2 all is 100% correct. जल्दी से बोलो. सॉरी फेल्किलाइट सब लेता हूँ, सब लेता हूँ, सब लेता हूँ बेटा. सब लेता हूँ. प्रोपेनॉल सिर्फ प्रोपेनॉल होगा. ऑल का पोजीशन इज मस्ट बी रिटर्न ना रेवा. अविदा यू कैन नॉट राइट जस्ट प्रोपेनॉल. सॉरी या सॉरी ब्यूटेनॉल जो लिखा है. ओके ओके, यू आर सेइंग टू मी, नो प्रॉब्लम. फॉर मी इट्स रॉन्ग. So this is propanol. Okay, no problem. Now next one. अरे मुझे दिखा रही, मेरा वीडियो नहीं दिखा रही. समझती है? अपना बचा लिए, मेरे दिखा रही है. डाइमिथाइल श्रीकांत मिथॉक्सी 1,1 डाइमिथाइल इथेन. देख लो बेटा, देख लो बेटा, सब लोग कैसे कैसे रॉन्ग कर रहे हैं. जानबूझ करके मैंने दिया. देखो सभी लोग देखो, व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस in this compound and given compound. Only one. मैं इसी को फिर से देखो प्लीज. nobody will write anything क्योंकि सब लोग गलत कर रहे हैं. suppose same compound is written in this manner, definitely everyone will be correct one. अब बोलो. अरे OCH3 को मैंने इधर कर दिया. अब समझ में आया? So you have to decide from which side it is nearer one. Darshan is correct. Ishan is correct. Reva is correct. Those who are writing dimethyl is wrong. Vedang is now right. Siddhi, jaldi लिख. सिद्धि जल्दी लिख, नहीं तो मैं चाय पीने आऊंगा घर पे, याद रखना। और मैं किसी के भी घर पे आऊंगा बेटा तो मैं तुम्हारी बड़ाई नहीं करूंगा, मार ही खाओगे मेरे आने के बाद तुम लोग। वेरी गुड, मोस्ट ऑफ देम यू आर राइटिंग राइट वन। 2 methoxy 2 methyl propane। सोच लो, मुझसे जब पेरेंट्स मिलते हैं तो सब लोग डरते हैं, स्टूडेंट डरने लग जाते हैं कि भगवान क्या क्या बता दिए होंगे मेरे बारे में। ओके, नाउ दिस इज 2 methyl। नो, इट मस्ट नॉट बी 2 methyl। एक मिनट मैं पहले ये देख लूं कि सब लोगों ने क्या लिखा है। Yes, 2 methoxy, those who are written, yes, everyone is writing 2 methoxy. If you are writing 2 methyl now, this is 100% wrong. I will tell you why this is wrong. L-coxy must be written first. And this is side chain of alkane. Must be small one. 2 methyl. And this is propane. Is it clear? Very good. Most of you are right now. Okay. Is it clear? तो स्ट्रेट चेन में नीचे कर दे रहा हूँ, सब लोग कंफ्यूज हो जा रहे हैं एवरी टाइम इन ईच एंड एवरी functional group. Whenever I am not writing in a straight way, everyone is getting confused. I don't know why. ठीक? Yes or no? Okay. So this is O. This is CS3. This is same as this is smaller one will contain oxy. So this is ethoxy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just like previous one. 4 methyl cyclohexane. Please write down fast. Yes, very good, Isita. Areva, great. Trisha is great. 1-ethoxy 4-methyl cyclohexane, 100% correct. ठीक है ना? Shall I move to next one? Shall I move to next one? Ritayan, yes. Anushka J. ठीक है ना? तो सभी लोग थोड़ी देर के लिए अब इसका नंबरिंग हम लोग कर लेते हैं। ए का, ए का करो। पहले साइकिल नहीं किया था हम लोगों ने, जल्दी से, जस्ट फॉर द प्रैक्टिस। दिस नॉट अ ईथर। Left side is 2 carbon, right side is 6 carbon. That's why smaller will contain oxy is ethoxy. Methyl is present just like at a second position. Okay. Second position जैसे इधर है वैसे उधर fourth पे है. That's why 4 methyl and cyclohexane. अरे वाह, अरे वाह. Everyone is writing correct one. Yes, it's cyclo. 1,2 dimethyl cyclopropane. अरे वाह, मैत्रेयी very good. Sai, Reva, Pranav, everyone is correct. So let us move to next one. Anushka J, now figures are clear. Shapes are not clear. She is saying yes, clear. Sir, all letters can be written in cyclo. How all letters can be written? Like B, C. C is straight chain. Yes, shapes can be written. Okay, just like D. Just like D. Tell me D. Tell me D. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Same 1, comma 2. Dimethyl cyclo. अब सब लोगों को थोड़ी थोड़ी मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि नाउ समझ में आने लग गया IUPAC. And definitely we are far ahead from any coaching. Very good. Let us move to next one. Now next functional group is aldehydes. Okay, next functional group is aldehydes. Next functional groups, that is aldehydes. So aldehydes is nothing but RCHO. How this is written? Oxygen is forming always two bonds. Is this one? What is the naming? Alkanal. Alk is number of carbon. Alk is number of carbon. Okay. So if it is one carbon, then naming will be methanol. Okay. What is the common name? Formaldehyde. Formaldehyde. If you are having two carbon, so this is, yes, right. Acetaldehyde is the common name, beta. Acetaldehyde is the common name. Acetal is the common name. Write down alkanol. No butanol. How it is four carbon? Aceta is correct. Ethanol. Darshan, very good. Anushka J, do you? Yeah, no, no need to know. No need to know common name. But suppose in exam it is saying, so at least you should know. Okay. Ethanol, very good. Everyone is now writing. Alkane, now it is al. If it is all, become alcohol. Now जरूरी नहीं है कि it is always written in expanded form. It is writing CHO. ट्रिपल बॉन्ड साइड सब होगा ना, देखता हूं मैं सब बताता हूं. Common name is acetaldehyde, but this is common name, acetaldehyde. This is propanol. Acetaldehyde इसका नाम है, common name. Write down fast. Oh, each and everyone is correct. Butanol, very good. Anushka J, Anushka J, write down the name. Yes, and नीचे वाले का भी नाम लिखा जाए. खाली name of खाली compound. Name of खाली compound. Isita wrong. Isan wrong. Abhida Kunte Areva great. 100% correct. Srikant correct. No, it's not 3 Srikant. This is al. Now functional group is containing carbon. So that must be starting like this one. Okay. If functional group is containing carbon, then numbering must be start from that carbon. New one, if functional group is containing carbon, Reva 2-methyl butanol, very good. Anusri, are you getting point? Ananya is correct. Siddhi is correct. Snehal, Shravani correct. Okay. If functional group is present, then numbering must be starting from numbering must be starting from numbering must be starting from CHO itself. और जरूरी नहीं है it must be straight. Now this is not hydrocarbon, so your priority number 1, CHO should contain 1 and then longest one. CHO should contain 1, then after longest one. Longest one 1, 2, 3, 4. Write down name fast. Write down naming fast. Ritayan, Snehal, 2,3 dimethyl butanol, yes, correct. Ritayan, write down fast. Isita correct, Pranav correct, Ritayan correct, Arya correct. भाई इतनी प्रैक्टिस तुझे किसी भी बुक में ना मिलेगा, कोई भी टीचर नहीं करवा सकता. इट्स माय चैलेंज. सारे चैप्टर्स का सभी लोग, सारे टीचर्स की प्रायोरिटी होती है कैसे कोर्स कंप्लीट हो जाए. एक्सप्रेस की तरफ भगाते हैं. यस करेक्ट. तो अब टिल नाउ जितने भी तुमने ग्रुप पढ़े हैं, एल्डिहाइड इज गिवन हाईएस्ट प्रायोरिटी टिल नाउ. एल्डिहाइड, अल्कोहल, देन ईथर, ठीक है ना, डबल बॉन्ड, फिर मेरे पास रहा सॉरी हेलोजेंस. तो इफ ग्रुप्स आर रिटन like this one, please write down IUPAC naming of this one. CHO is now behaving as principal group. Now OH is behaving as a side chain. So please everyone, please turn first page of the starting of my chemistry. Go on first page. Everyone, please go on first page of first lecture. First page of first lecture. First page of first lecture. Now rule of prefix. देखो क्या लिखा है तुमने. प्रीफिक्स के लिए क्या लिखा है. मैत्रेयी, what you have written rule. First rule is all side chains, and second one, if more than one functional groups are present, one will behave as a side chain, one will behave as a principal group, other will behave as a side chain. So this OH is behaving as side chain because you are giving preference to, ये देखो 1, Anushka J, if more than one functional groups are present, then it will behave as a side chain. Now which one is behaving as a principal and which one is behaving as a side chain? One will behave as a principal, other will behave as a side chain. So when alcohol is present as a side chain, its naming will be
Hydro.
hydroxy.
Oh.
Okay. Yes, Ishan, I will tell you. I will tell you definitely.
Mhm.
I will give the preference chart. Okay. I will give the preference chart. So when alcohol is behaving as a side chain, then its naming will be 2-hydroxy
Butanol.
butanol. Siddhi, is there any problem? Siddhi, is there any problem? बोलो बेटा ईशान, अदरवाइज मैं घर पे चाय पीने के आया तो प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी तुम्हें. रितायन, यस करेक्ट, नो प्रॉब्लम. देख लो, जिसको प्रॉब्लम होगी इसके घर पे चाय पीने आऊंगा मैं, पक्का है. फिर देखना तुम्हारे घर पे कैसे वाट लगेगी मेरे जाने के बाद. तब तुम मुझे बाद में बोलोगे कि सर मैं आपको बाहर कॉफी पिला देता हूँ, घर पे कभी मत आना. क्योंकि मेरे जाने के बाद घर पे डंडे उठेंगे, डंडे. नो प्रॉब्लम, नो प्रॉब्लम. आर्या जोशी, नो प्रॉब्लम. वेरी गुड. सो लेट अस मूव टू नेक्स्ट वन. प्रॉब्लम तो होना चाहिए, प्रॉब्लम तो होना ही चाहिए. प्रॉब्लम कैसे नहीं है? ये लो, ये लो. चलो बोलो. टेल मी, टेल मी. नंबरिंग
Now,
मस्ट बी. नंबरिंग मस्ट बी राइट. वेरी गुड. सी एच एस होगा. नाम बोलो, नाम. नाम बोलो कंपाउंड का, अपना नहीं. 2-hydroxy 3-methoxy butanol. Bedong, very good, right. Swarali, right. Wow. Isita, right. Pranav, right. Great. Abida, right. अनुश्री, साक्षी. साक्षी हाइड्रोक्सी कहाँ है वो तो लिख. रितायन करेक्ट. अनन्या करेक्ट. श्रावणी करेक्ट. वाह भाई वाह, सरोज ट्यूटोरियल ने तुम्हारे दिमाग में कुछ तो अच्छा काम किया है. सरोज ट्यूटोरियल ने कुछ तो अच्छा काम किया है. सरोज ट्यूटोरियल is not too much famous but one of the best result producing of the Pune. सब लोगों के पास 400 500 हजार हजार बच्चे लेकर के बैठे हैं, बट नो वन इज गिविंग रिजल्ट लाइक मी. नो वन इज गिविंग रिजल्ट लाइक मी. यस करेक्ट. मोस्ट भाई भाई सब लोग करेक्ट लिख रहे हैं. वेरी गुड. सब लोग करेक्ट लिख रहे हैं. रियली? ऐसे कैसे? राइट डाउन द नेम. राइट डाउन द नेम. मैंने सब इंक्लूड कर लिया जितना पढ़ा है तुमने अभी तक. Numbering must be from CHO. Very good. Numbering must be from CHO.
Okay.
2, 3, 4, 5. Anushka J. Anushka J. Yes. Write down the name.
2, 3.
Write down the name, and they must be in alphabet order. They must be in alphabet order. Please match up with me. 4 bromo. This is cyclo. Cyclo is not counted. P is counted. Sorry. Cyclo will be counted as 5 cyclo pentyl 3 hydroxy di and tri is not counted. What you will count? 2, 3 di M is counted. Methyl is counted. Now total carbon is, sorry, इथॉक्सी तो लिखा ही नहीं हमने.
हाँ.
इथॉक्सी भी होना चाहिए ना. And then pentane al pentanal. चलो लिखो जल्दी से नाम. ईशान बोल रहे थे डबल बॉन्ड एक साथ आ जाएगा, आ सकता है. यस, आ सकता है. Anusri, first word will be capital. After that, sub small. No hydroxy capital. No ethoxy capital. No di capital. Okay. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3 dimethyl. पेंटेनल क्यों होगा? डबल बॉन्ड भी है ना रितायन. Why it is pentane? Pentane means though it is single bond. Vedang, very good. Butynyl Swarali, very good. Chogule, yes. No dash line in between number words. Isita, yes. वेरी गुड. अब सभी लोग हम लोग बिल्कुल सही लिख रहे हैं. एवरीवन इज राइटिंग करेक्ट वन. सो 2, 2 डाईमिथाइल ब्यूट. अब देखो सभी लोगों ने लिखा तो क्या थोड़ा सा रॉन्ग लिखा. भाई ब्यूटीन तो लिखो ना किस पोजीशन पे है. If you are writing simply butene, it is present at first carbon. And al is also present at first carbon. Yes, Srikanth is 100% correct. No dash line after words. No dash line after words. Okay. रेवा वेरी गुड. 2,2 क्या? 2,2 क्या होना चाहिए? हाथी, घोड़ा, मैंगो. 2,2 मिथाइल होना चाहिए, डाई मिथाइल. ओके. यहां तक किसी को डाउट है क्या? बोल. अनुष्का. अनुष्का. नो, नॉट करेक्ट. यस. श्योर 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 भाई. So you can leave the class. Okay. We will meet tomorrow at the same time. Someone say while biology classes already started. Okay, no problem, no problem. Thank you, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Please go to my YouTube channel and subscribe it and follow it. Okay. Thank you.